Today's words of wisdom: auspicious locations for leaders' new headquarters, a boon for world peace, will be presented in English with subtitles in Arabic, Aulacese or Vietnamese, Chinese, Dutch, English, French, German, Hebrew, Hindi, Hungarian, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Mongolian, Persian, Polish, Portuguese, Punjabi, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Thai, Turkish, and Urdu. More languages are available online. For your special language, please visit www.suprememastertv.com/subtitles. As an internationally renowned spiritual teacher, humanitarian, poet, and artist, Supreme Master Ching Hai has also been an advocate for peace and the environment, as well as an animal lover. Caring deeply for the earth and all its inhabitants, Supreme Master Ching Hai has been urgently raising awareness on the stark reality of climate change, with a steadfast determination to preserve our beautiful planet. Tirelessly accepting numerous invitations to conferences, media interviews, and other events, Supreme Master Ching Hai has helped to clarify and prioritize the vegan solution for humankind, grounded in both extensive scientific research as well as profound inner spiritual knowledge. Supreme Master Ching Hai also sends a message of encouragement for government leaders and citizens throughout the world, which is to act nobly for the survival and happiness of all beings now and for generations to come. Recently, with the deep yearning for the world's conflicts to subside, Supreme Master Ching Hai courageously revealed which leaders' headquarters are situated near or on roads and subportals leading to the lower worlds and hell, along with the resulting negative effects on both leaders and their nations. In an urgent announcement made on August 24, 2011, Supreme Master Ching Hai addressed the world's peace-seeking leaders and concerned fellow citizens to inform them of alternative places to relocate their headquarters to avoid negative sites that over time have fueled conflicts and other troubles in human society, particularly by gripping individuals and groups in power. Supreme Master Ching Hai shared this unprecedented information freely at the cost of her physical and spiritual welfare, in hopes that leaders may quickly move away from these dangerous places at this critical time for our planet. Providing detailed explanations in visual graphs, she described specific locations where leaders can move their headquarters that will be more conducive to the righteousness, clarity, and benevolence that they deserve, to more easily sow the seeds of world peace. We now invite you to listen to the rebroadcast of the live conference with Supreme Master Ching Hai entitled Auspicious Locations for Leaders' New Headquarters, a Boon for World Peace, on August 24, 2011.
Now we move to Algeria. Oh, I feel like I'm a student again, with blackboard.
Back to school.
Instead of blackboard, we have whiteboard and a black pen. Before we have blackboard and white chalk, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back to Qing High School.
Algeria. Presidential palace should move south, leaning 2/3 southwest, 70 kilometers away. Now we do the same stuff again. Okay. And that's its west. East, sorry, I didn't divide well. Lucky it's not a cake, or we'll be fighting for which pieces we get. Okay, never mind, forgive me. This is south, eh? This is north, eh? For example. Okay, now, the Algeria presidential palace should move south. South is here, but lean to 2/3 southwest, 70 kilometers. First, we have to say 70 kilometers. Oh, southwest. Okay, more south than west. Okay, now this is southwest. Get southwest. And lean 2/3. Okay, this is south. We divide into 3 pieces again. And it should be here. Got it? Yeah?
Yes.
This is a 1/3 And this is 2/3. So the presidential palace would move in the south, but lean toward 2/3 of southwest. Got it, huh?
Yes.
Is it easy?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, the police headquarters also had problem with the negative influence, so we should move west. And, oh, this is easy. West is here. Here, move central west. Okay? Central west. Yeah, somewhere here. And 80 kilometers away. Wow. From the old place, nah? Suppose it's an old place here, I have to move 80 kilometers away. Yeah? Something like that. Got it? Okay. Now, that's it. This one is simple. Right. Just central west. 80 kilometers away from where it is. Look in the compass. Where's the central west? Just build right there. Is that simple?
Yes, thank you, Master. The drawings really help.
Huh? This is, I write it down. Algeria.
Algeria, yeah.
Algeria. Okay? Got it, yeah?
Yes.
And zoom to the name also, huh? In case they don't see it. Algeria, okay? So that it don't get mixed up when people, want to look at it. Okay, we're done with Algeria. Now we move to the next country. Oh, I'm glad it's done. I cannot wait until after our celebration. I have to tell now. But until the last minute, I prove all this in case anything, overlooked. But up to now, it's like this, okay? Now.
Thank you.
Now we move to, this is 1, 2, done. Argentina. Argentina, don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you. All through my wild days, my mad existence, I kept my promise. Don't keep your distance. Okay, Argentina presidential palace should move 3/4 northwest center. Okay, and move 50 kilometer. Here is west, north, east, south again. Okay, it's like this. I might not do it the right direction here, but you look into the compass. It's simple. Now, north, huh? Where's north? Okay, the presidential palace should move to north. North is here, and 3/4 northwest. Okay, northwest is right in the middle first of all, and then we divide this into 4 pieces. Okay, then the president should lean on the border of the 3/4 of northwest, because this is northwest.
I see.
Understand, yeah?
Yes.
Is it easy?
Yes.
Okay. He moved north, but not right at the north central, but at the border of the 3/4 toward northwest. Right. That's easy. Done. Okay. Argentina don't have any other problem, so we're done with Argentina, huh? You got it all? Yeah?
Yep.
Yes.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you.
Camera, did you show it, huh? Did you show me? Okay, thank you. Now we move to Armenia. Presidential palace should move west, lean 3/4 southwest. Armenia presidential palace should move to the west, but lean 3/4 southwest, 30 kilometers away. It's better we move because sooner or later something might happen in time. You see, sometimes it doesn't happen right away, but it will happen when the fruit is ripe. And we don't want to wait for this haphazard event to happen before we move. Move now. Move when it's still peaceful. It's easier, yeah?
Yes,
Less
Master.
cost.
Yes.
Okay, now east, west again. North, south again. Armenia. I have been there, remember? Huh?
Yes,
Many
Master.
years ago. I've been to Armenia. They even make a school in my name.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
wonderful.
Yeah, they're so kind and very pure people. West, the presidential palace. Up to now, we have presidential palace, military headquarters, Taliban for Afghanistan, and presidential palace, police headquarters for Algeria. Argentina, only presidential palace. Armenia, presidential palace. Remind me to write it, okay?
Okay.
So that we don't get mixed up, remember. Okay.
Okay.
Presidential palace should move west. Where is west? Here. Here's west. And then should lean to southwest. Southwest, this is south, and this is southwest. He should move to west, but lean toward 3/4 southwest. 3/4 southwest is here, huh? Okay, we divide it into 4 first before we say anything. So southwest is this side, and 3/4 is this side. So the presidential palace is here, next to the west center, but lean toward 3/4 southwest. Now we got it, yeah?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Because it say here, Armenia, west, lean 3/4 of southwest. So this is 3/4 of southwest, yeah? And it's right here at the border, okay? Good. We done?
Yes.
Yes.
Armenia? Yeah, 30 kilometers away west. It looks small here, but in the whole planet it will be bigger. Nevertheless, we have to be exact, otherwise we will bump into those negative stuff again. Understand, huh?
Yes, understand.
Are you all right, guys?
Yes, we're fine,
We're
Master.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you for your patience and the audience patience.
You have to do all the work. We're doing the easy part.
I know, but your patient listening and all that. Yeah, I had all done it here and I forgot. All I have to do is just copy this and it'd be easier. I forgot. You know, I have done some of the work already when I'm doing that, okay? To
Yeah.
make sure, last minute check already, and all I do is just have to copy it, and I forgot all
Wow.
about it.
Too
Okay.
busy. Too busy.
Yeah, just these things are big, so I am also kind of overwhelmed a little bit. Now, we go toward Australia. Or the problem influence country. The Australia have to move 2 things, Prime Minister Palace and military headquarters. Right, now we do it again. Same stuff. Huh? Here is west, north, south. Now the Australia Prime Minister Palace, Australia, down under, eh? Prime Minister Palace of Australia has to move east, central east. Wow, that's easy for me. Right, central east. East, central, no complication anymore. I remember after these first few countries, everything else is more straightforward. You know, like southeast or east-south or northwest or north, yeah?
Yes.
I asked her, why is it only the first few ones? It's like, they say just incidentally, I mean, not because it's top of the list. It's funny, it's all A, you know, Algeria, Argentina, they're all the first 4. And there are a few more afterward, but it's not much, okay? Now, move war central east. This is here. This is a prime minister place. Prime minister. Okay? I write it short. And how many kilometers away? 40 kilometers away. 40 kilometers away from the old place, nah? Right?
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
From old. And the military, I check out wherever I do so we don't forget. Military headquarters should move north and central north, 30 kilometers. Here is north and 30 kilometers away. Move towards central north. That's it, right in the middle. This is military headquarters. Wow, it's simple for us, ne?
Yes, Master.
This is a prime minister. This is a military. Not right here, not at the edge of the world. What I mean is right in the center, in the compass of north, and 30 kilometers away from the old one. We done with Australia?
Yes, Master.
Yes, right. Okay, Australia is done now. We go to Bahrain. Wow, Bahrain have 3 places to move. Royal Palace, military headquarters, and police headquarters. Phew, no wonder they have problem, eh?
Yes.
A little bigger, huh? Bigger than
Yes.
others. Okay, here we are. What is this here? South, north. This is Bahrain. Wow, it would take time, huh? Bahrain. The Royal Palace have to move to north central, 60 kilometers away. Kilometers away from O, you know, right? From the old place, we should move 60 kilometers. That is the Royal Palace. The Royal Palace. Now, move to north. North, right in the center, and 60 kilometers. And now the military headquarters should move west-south, not southwest. Huh? Where is west-south? Here it is. It is southwest, of course, but more west than south. It should move 70 kilometers away. This is military headquarters. Should move 70 kilometers away west-south. That means more west than south. This is west-south, eh? And more west. How much more west? 3/4 west. 1/4 south. Okay, west-south here. So 3/4 in the west side and 1/4 on the south side. Understand now?
Yes, Master.
It's all written there. You got it?
Yes.
Steve?
Yes, Master.
Okay, here 3/4 on this side and 1/4 on the south side. Yeah? It's not right in the middle, not in the middle of southwest, but 3/4 on the west, 1/4 on the south. We done? Not yet.
Police headquarters.
This is the Royal Palace. Move to the center. Center, okay? North center. Okay. Now the military already there. 3/4 west, 1/4 south. Now police headquarters, northeast central. Oh, thank God. Where are northeast? Here are northeast. Central, easy, okay? This is police. Right in the middle, okay? Got it. And how many kilometers away? 60 kilometers away. We got it, yeah? Bahrain, Royal Palace, north central here. Police headquarters, northeast central here. 60 kilometers away. The Royal Palace and the police headquarters both move 60 kilometers away from the old places. Okay, got it, yeah? Military.
Yes, we got it.
3/4 on the west, 1/4 on the south. Okay? It's different when you see in the vision and when you write it all down, you know? I had to be quick at that time. Okay, now we're done with Bahrain. All done. Check. Now, Bangladesh, only one. Presidential Palace, northeast, central, 50 kilometers. That's easy. Do I have to write it? No, huh?
No.
No.
No, huh?
Northeast, right on the
West.
line.
South, north. So easy. Northeast central, 50 kilometers. Here, northeast, 50 kilometers away from the old one. This is Bangladesh. Presidential Palace. Easy, huh?
Easy.
Good. Right, thank you. I think now I can read. I don't have to write, oh, do I? If it's not so complicated? Yeah. I think from now on I read it then, huh? I don't have to explain anymore.
Yes, Master.
Okay. Bangladesh, we're done. Now, Belarus Presidential Palace should move to west, lean 3-4 northwest central. Again. Another one. Okay, I write it as I wrote at home. East, west, south, north. Okay. Now the Belarus Presidential Palace move west. West is here, but leaning toward northwest center. Northwest is here, 3-4 northwest central. This is northwest. We divide it into 4 pieces. And it's the Presidential Palace is right there, leaning toward the border of the 3/4 of northwest. I write it now exactly when I wrote it at home.
Yes, Master.
This is Presidential Palace here. And how many kilometers? 60 kilometers away from old place. Got it, yeah? Right.
Yes, Master.
I got it exactly the same what I do here. It's easier to copy. No, because when I do that, it was a lot of work already. You see what I mean? I should have just copied it. It's easier than do it again.
Yes, Master.
It's too many things, you know? You have to concentrate well at that time.
Yes, Master.
And now military headquarters should move west-south. That means more west than south. 2/3 west, 1/3 south. And 40 kilometers away from the old place. Okay. This is west, this is south. So he moves west-south. Okay, we put in first, there is southwest. But more west than south. That means 2/3 west. Let's make sure. Yes, Belarus. 2/3 west is right here. And 1/3 south. Understand this? Yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
Master.
Master.
This is 2/3. And this is 1/3. 1/3 in the south, 2/3 in the west. That is
Yes, Master.
west-south. 40 kilometers away.
Yes.
This is military. Actually, by reading, you can also make it out, hey? Easier than listening. Easier than I draw, but I just want to make sure. Headquarters. 40 kilometers away. Got it, yeah?
Yes, Master.
President 60 kilometers away. Here, the west, leaning northwest. Military headquarters, southwest, but more west than south. Got it? Okay, we're done.
Yes, Master.
Right, thank you. Thank you for being patient. We're only on the first page and only half of the first page yet. We have many pages to go. We have 9 pages altogether. And nevertheless, everyone should just notice their own, so it doesn't matter. Right now. Next one is Belarus is done, eh?
Yes, Master.
Yeah, it's all correct. Belgium, the Dutch party headquarters, should move northeast central, 40 kilometers away from the old headquarters. That's easy, right? Right. Belgium, done. Now, Bermuda, Prime Minister Palace, should move southwest, 60 kilometers away from the old one. More south than west. South, 2/3, west, 1/3. So the line southwest, Yeah?
Yes.
2/3 from the south side, 1/3 on the west side, so southwest. Yes. Sometimes southwest central, but this one is not central. It's more south than west. Has to be exact like that. Okay. Now Bhutan, Royal Palace should move to west central, 30 kilometers away from the old palace. I said something before, I forgot. Even before you build a new palace, should find a place there to move first. And then somewhere next to it, build the new one. Otherwise, it take too long to build a palace and something might happen in between already. You know what I mean? Before it's too
Master.
late. Okay, right. Bermuda done, Bhutan done. Now I'm going next. Bolivia, presidential palace should move southeast, 60 kilometers away. More south than east. 3/4 in the south, 1/4 in the east. Done. Bosnia Herzegovina, presidential palace should move west-north, not northwest. That is different from northwest. See, west-north. This is already denote that more west than north. That's why I say west-north and not northwest. Should move west-north 70 kilometers away, more west than north. 2/3 on the west side, 1/3 on the north side. Now, Bosnia done. Botswana, presidential palace should move to central west, right in the middle of west, yes, 40 kilometers away. Military headquarters should move west-north, 40 kilometers away. 2/3 on the west side, 1/3 on the north side. Now, Bouvet Island is supposed to be uninhabited, but if any, government vacation house or campsite or secret hideout should move away from where it was to the south central, 6 kilometers away from the old place. There's a Bouvet Island which belongs to, I think, Norway. Norway is a peaceful country, but there's something in Bouvet Island, whatever it was there, had to move away.
Yes, Master.
So it will not affect the Prime Minister and the government and the people of Norway.
Yes, we understand, Master.
Move away 6 kilometers south, central of south. Now, Brazil, presidential palace should move to the north, central north, 40 kilometers away. If anything you don't hear well, like I miss 6 kilometers or you don't hear well the number, please ask me.
Yes, Master.
So we
Master.
don't miss it, okay, huh? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
Master,
Master.
we will do that.
Because if you hear well, then the audience hear well. Yeah?
Yes,
I'm
Master.
afraid sometimes the technological problem. Burma, Burmese, or we call it Myanmar also. Presidential palace should move west-north, 50 kilometers away from the old palace. More west than north. 3/4 west, 1/4 north. And Burmese or Myanmar's military headquarters should move northeast, 30 kilometers. More north than east. 3/4 north, 1/4 east. That's Burma or Myanmar, okay? Now,
Yes, Master.
Canada military headquarters should move to the south, central of south, 20 kilometers away from the old one. Chechnya, presidential palace, Chechnya, Chechnya, okay?
Yes, Master.
Should move the presidential palace to west-north, 30 kilometers away from the old palace. 2/3 west, 1/3 north. Check. Chile. Presidential palace should move to the west, central, 30 kilometers away from the old palace. China. Presidential palace should move to east, central east, 40 kilometers away from the old one. And Prime Minister Palace should move to east, also central east, 30 kilometers away from the old one. Check. China, done. Colombia FARC headquarters, FARC, the FARC group, headquarters, not the government, the anti-government. FARC group headquarters should move to south central, 40 kilometers away from the old headquarters. Check. Côte d'Ivoire, in Ivory Coast, Presidential Palace should move west, central west, 30 kilometers away from the old one. Check. Croatia, Presidential Palace, north central, 40 kilometers, should move to center of the north central north, 40 kilometers away from old one. Cuba, Presidential Palace should move to west central, 30 kilometers. Cyprus, Presidential Palace should move southwest, 20 kilometers away from the old palace, but more south than west, 3/4 south, 1/4 west.
This is an extra note from Supreme Master Ching Hai. Though most auspicious, some locations might not be easily accessible, but that's the way it is revealed, to be completely out of bad influences and maximize positiveness. At least move as far as possible from the old place in the indicated direction to have more auspiciousness, but the result is not guaranteed. The best is to move to the exact location, even if having to work on a ship, or a building on top of a mountain, or on a space station. Caring viewers, thank you for your company for today's episode of Words of Wisdom. Join us again on Tuesday for part 3 of Auspicious Locations for Leaders' New Headquarters, a boon for world peace. Up next is a journey through aesthetic realms, right after noteworthy news. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. May your noble dreams in life be realized.
For more details, please visit www.suprememastertv.com/WOW.